Hi children, this is Subar Arparaj, handling 6 Mathematics, Chapter 3 Playing with Numbers, Exercise 3.1. Today we are going to learn the topics are factors, perfect numbers, and multiples. First, we are going to learn factors. What do you mean by factors? A factor of a number will divide that number exactly without leaving any remainder. For example, consider the number 12. 12 can be expressed as 1 into 12, 2 6 are 12, and 3 4s are 12. So 12 equal to 1 into 12, and 12 equal to 2 6 are 12, 12 equal to 3 4s are 12. Here 12 is the product and the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And one more example, that is, consider this number 12 can be expressed 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 and 4. When you divide, you can easily identify that factors, isn't it? So 12 divided by 1 will get 12. So there is no remainder, and 12 divided by 2 will get 6. Here also there is no remainder. When you divide 12 by 6 will get 2. There is no remainder. If you divide 12 by 3 will get 4. There is no remainder. So 12 divided by 4 will get 3. So there is no remainder. From this, each of this factor will divide 12 exactly without leaving any remainder. Here 1 is the smallest factor, while 12, the number itself, is the largest factor. Next, we are going to learn perfect numbers. What do you mean by perfect numbers? Numbers for which sum of all its factors is equal to twice the number itself is called a perfect number. We can easily remember sum of all its factors equal to 2 into given number. For example, consider the number 6. Is it perfect number? First, find the factors of 6, that are 1, 2, 3, 6. Now we want to find sum of all its factors, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. The sum is 12. So 2 twice of that given number is 12. So both are equal. So we can say that 6 is a perfect number. And one more example. Consider the number 8. Is it perfect number? First, we want to find the factors of 8, that are 1, 2, 4, 8. First, we want to find the sum of all its factors, that is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. The sum is 15. Here, 8 is not a perfect number because 2 times of the what is that one given number 8, so we'll get 16. So 16 not equal to 15. So 8 is not a perfect number. Now we are going to learn multiples. What do you mean by multiples? Multiples of a number are obtained by multiplying that number by a natural numbers. As you know very well about natural numbers, that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. We can easily remember the multiples, that is, given number into natural numbers will get multiples. For example, write the first 5 multiples of 6. Here solution, 6 into 1 will get 6. Here 6 is a given number and 1 is the natural number, will get multiples. 2 into 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30, because they asked only first 5 multiples, that are 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30 are the multiples of 6. Then next one, exercise 3.1. First sum, give reasons. Is 6 a factor of 42? Solution, that is 7 6 are 42, or else we can divide 42 divided by 6, will get 7. There is no remainder. Yes, 6 is a factor of 42. Then second one, write all the possible factors of 40. Solution, 40 can be expressed as 140 is 40, and 2 20s are 40, 4 10s are 40, 8 5s are 40. Thus, all the factors of 40, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, and 40. Here 1 is the smallest factor of 40, and 40 is the largest number of 40. And another one, that is 90. Solution, 90 can be expressed as 90 equal to 1 into 90. So 2 45s are 90, 3 30s are 90, 5 18s are 90, 6 15s are 90, 9 10s are 90. Thus all the factors of 90 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 15, 18, 30, and 45, and 90. Here 1 is the smallest factor of 90, and 90 is the largest factor of 90. Now sum, write down the smallest factor of 55. As you know, smallest factor is 1. So the smallest factor of 55 is 1. 1 into 55 will get 55. The largest factor of 55, already we studied the number itself, isn't it? So the largest factor of 55 is 55. It is 55 into 1 will get 55. The sixth multiples of 55. Here 6 is a natural number, 55 is the given number. That is, given number into natural number will get, what is the one? Multiples. So the sixth multiple of 55 is 330. 6 55s are 330. Now the homeworks. Exercise 3.1. The first one, third sum, and second one, first one and second one. Fifth one, first, sixth Roman, and ninth Roman. Test your understanding. First one, dash is the smallest perfect number. Option A 2, option B 3, option C 6, option D 7. Here the answer is option C 6. Dash is one of the factors of 55. The options are A9, B11, C7, D3. Answer is 11. Dash is the seventh multiples of 65. Option A 555, B 355, C 255, D 455. The answer is 455. Thank you.